This is the 26th December of 2025. Ladies and gentlemen, we are at Humphreys Hill House, a hotel that is located at Kiong'anyo Hill, just 2 kilometers from Gusii town. The function you're watching here today, it is the Gusii traditional circumcision process, where young men of ages of 10 and above were taken through. To be more specific, these are men who did not get a chance to go through the circumcision process when they were circumcised. Ladies and gentlemen, this function was organized and prepared by Humphreys Hill House in conjunction with the Kiong'anyo Cultural Organization of Elders, who are found at Humphreys Hill House. During this function, the young men were taken through various teachings. The elders showed them what it means to be a circumcised young man in the Gusii community. They showed them how to behave, what to say, and what to do. They also taught these young men the Gusii traditional lifestyles. For example, they showed them how the homestead of a Gusii person looked like, how they used to sleep, how they used to cook, and the number of wives whom Gusii used to have in the past and even today. The elders also took them through the traditional ways of treatment by showing them various herbs that were used in the past. The elders went ahead to show them the sacred trees that were always kept in a Gusii homestead and gave them the reasons as to why these trees were kept there. Most importantly, this function was to give an opportunity for the young men to interact with the elders in the community, ask questions, and get to learn, to nurture the Gusii culture amongst the young generations.
You must learn how to have the character of a man. The last rite of passage, dramatized.
Haya, umekuwa mkubwa, ndio utaenda kukutana na dunia. Dunia ndio hata kijana kama huyu hadithi ataisha. They say a leopard, a lion,
and then you are taken to this tree. Alafu wape kwamba hukufanya na iwe ni uongo uliapa. Ukiapo unasema mimi sikufanya, na kama nilifanya gari ni huwe, ama nyoka ni ume, ama chochote kobe ngake, ungeenda scot free. Iye na kufuata. Hii inakuanga type mbili. Kuna moja na kujanga na kitu almost white na ingine inakuwa very brown. Ukipata ile ambayo iko na white, unajua mmekula vitu mingi sana mpaka wakati mtakapoa wanawake watawatoroka.
Lero lero umbura kwa nani we lero lero Erero muna ngomorote erero muna mwarorire bamuraba bila basacha bamuraba itoma.
Well, last one. Yes, my younger brother here with some, I love you.
Some vizuri uwe baraka kwa Mungu.
We have Emmanuel Obino.
Ndiye huyu. Hata mwingine Emmanuel tumemalizana.
Manuel ni yeye amekuja.
Ndiye huyu.
Ya tuwakile matena ntama manu kitoya. Kuala kuachia abantu na kuachia ng'ombe.
Tunashukuru kwamba umevumilia.
Welcome to Humphrey's Hill House and learn more culture, because it is not only the processes of Gusii culture, but also there are many artifacts of the Gusii culture that are kept well preserved at Humphrey's Hill House that you can be able to learn.
Kiong'anyo